Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I paint my artificial nails by using nail separators. It's a cheap and alternative way of using a hand model and helps prevent smudging during the drying process. And best of all the supplies I had were already on hand. Alright, let's get started. These are the supplies I used. Okay, so the first one on the list are toe separators. Toe separators will be used as mini hand models. I have plenty of these collected from the nail salon, but I'm going to use some that I bought on my own. Next is tape, or double-sided tape. This will be used to tape down the separators and nails. I'll show you that in just a little bit. Next are kiss press-on nails. Any brand and any shape will do. I got my pack at Walmart for $8, and that also included the glue, so I think that was a pretty good steal. Mine are short and natural, and this case has a little air on the side for storage. Nail polish. I'm using this frosted beige color by Sally Hansen in the color In a Flash. Following that is a top coat. Polish for nail tips. Any design or colored nail tip will do, but I'm keeping it simple for this tutorial and going with a classic white tip to complement the nail polish. Later on in the video, I'm going to show you an easy hack to paint these on. Next are nail files. Nail files, I use these to clean up the nails and file off any excess nail polish. My goal here is to make them look professional as possible. Alright, now that I have all the supplies, it's time to get started. Alright, so step one is to pick nail sizes. And what that means is I fit my nail according to the nail number. Each row has a different number, so lower are bigger and smaller are higher. Next, when I pick them out, I make sure they fit comfortably. If they're too tight or not covering my nail, I need to go up a number or down a size. The goal here is to make them look natural as possible, and that's why I chose the short and natural shape. So step two is to tape down the separators, because they're going to be used as the alternative hand models. As you can see, I have different ones, and each one has a different divider, which can be useful if the nail shape is different or if the nails are wider in shape. Just like hands, they're all different. As you can see here, I simply stuck the tape on the back of the separator and then stuck that onto a surface. Double stick tape works well, but I didn't have that, so I just used regular tape. Step 3. Tape the nails onto the separator. I do this method by folding small pieces of tape over and attaching it to the nail, then attaching that to the separators. By the way, I use 2 separators because obviously I have 2 hands. Here's a close-up and another method to use the separator. Either method works well, but I'm just showing you an alternative way. Step 4. Now it is time to paint the nails. I did 3 coats and 1 top coat. I let mine dry overnight so they wouldn't smudge, but it's not necessary. Step 5 is to peel nails off tape and file any excess nail polish. I apologize for not showing this footage, but it's pretty self-explanatory. As you can see, I filed off any excess nail polish where needed, and I made sure to file in one direction only, in a gentle, slow, and smooth movement. Bear with me, my camera is trying to focus, but it seems to not be cooperating. So here are the remaining nails, nice and smooth, nicely filed, and they're ready for the next step. Final step. Okay. So here is the nail hack I mentioned earlier about painting the nail tip. All I did was paint a small thin coat of nail polish on my finger and press my nail into the nail polish in a nice, slow, swooping motion. All right, did you see that? Here it is again. To make sure the lines stay even, I reapplied the nail polish, but like I said, in a very thin line. Different brushes create different lines, so it's best to stay consistent if a certain design is not being created. As you can see here, I applied different pressure to create an uneven line. So lines can be diagonal or even straight. This does take some practice though. So here is the final look. These turned out so nice without a hand model. I simply used what I had on hand and just created an easier method to paint my artificial nails. Alright, that completes the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you find this useful. You can even try this on your own. And you can even share it with me by leaving a comment below and tell me how it worked for you. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification right over there.
Kinda like Betty got that.